Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso.
Ghana muntie na Fedi Krom aye de ye de dwumadi foforo abebom abo friend Fufuo Wo Krom a tokru biara Ghana aduan pashen ye be kire wachi kwan amwako pebi na ne dwumadi kuran ene your one and only IBK the food marshal nana kwabna bedi akon entwida akon oprekese jana di ofiti kroti ana ne ho eje fibinin IBK the food marshal odunkuto no okura international location system code a ye de hwehwe aduan achi kwan na useden oni food marshal nana kwabna bedi akon entwi da akodwumadi a wo friend Fufuo Wo Krom enanto na obehu say you nuampa akohye tokrum Fufuo Wo Krom you aha na eboso de ne
Granny bidi ya o sing on me papa agranti ya na sadowa.
I was young boy. Yours truly the food marshal back up IBK. What you say? Santinaji babia. Go dance back. Ya say Kokosechi. Lavingstone ose srebo. Makacho ose ushiamia. Ediri ya back up. Wosi Fufuo Wo Krom. Na majeso he and a bosso. And I mean the one baby a bosso. I want a ruby pone so. Kuyapim for say big power so hang and you are directly opposite a Pediase Lodge, Presidential Lodge. What you say, a lodge tavern. Now check it ambience now. A higher heavy power where it internationally and locally acclaimed ambience. And only Ajia to me say, ya konya kwa check it, a bunny fufu, a bunny and quine, a bunny grills are grills. Bibia biwa, Nenja, your pet lodge tavern is a higher paper so. More muntu kwanda no I'm from man to sabruchi yanko busa what is inside the wagon what you say yours truly one for one dimachini yanko general mesha aduma ne yedidie what you say ba ko pe bibia da din fantastic why ma boko there sana ube didi mba hwenkwan nyanen kwapini se nkwan na obi bi nyina so se no wo so a won towe sidi akwa etino muta didi wa ho o feeling etania me bo ha very well be one or two mo hwenene e ko na na ko ne se ko ne fufuo ono be di from them economy mutuo ana obakwa mutuo meni aba na obakwa fufuo de ye tuba woni nwuramu na mana oh brother betia na uni aba wonfe betia wo brother oh we are that for wa ko what I say the food marshal who me ya frame me Ghana nyina me na me sha wo what I say me na me slim baba busu ya so me na me ya keto in size and that's all here aso no mpa see na what I say etia wa say right abusu for tia lodge tavern a higher breed sana bi kan no kan no ye kwa akodi nkomo na ya ni ya check what is inside the wagon what you say nkwan lodge tavern there wo hwe sana kasa nko for typhoon so apa and titiri kwa sebu a yi me nda no panom ne kwasi ada no pa there ebinum garbage in garbage out we asema ka cho say garbage in garbage out who do know now exercise and no so omaduane so eche what you say what for back up and ti yanko na yanko hear what is inside the
taste that brings everyone together. Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice, perfect for every moment.
Taste of togetherness. Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Mom and Dad, this rice
smells like celebration.
Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Hey, Daddy.
Ladies, gentlemen, enjoy Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Mr. Pia, what guys shinkafa da shinkafa ne?
Abiba Thai Jasmine Sawar. Bow, what me tie?
Whether it's a family dinner, a business meeting,
Abiba Jasmine Thai Rice.
our celebration, Abiba Jasmine Rice elevates every meal. Abiba Jasmine Rice, the taste of togetherness.
Aha, bushafo, yours truly the food marshal back up. Madikan catch us, and now your big postal. Ekwapim for say big postal hang. Etina is a large tavern, and you be my catch us a large tavern there. The ma higher ni can say, you directly opposite presidential lodge na Kwame Nkrumah sisi ho a president na wo mo bedodo mo no ene ye directly opposite it one say wonya ba ha bedidi a na sa wo no so wakọ aban mu ane sa what you say eti yegusu a yedi nkomo me ni nua ma ne me so anu ne me nanfo bia say won be piepie won mo hwe fufuo pa ma me ni nua ni fufuo kete asa yi me hwene aha oba eti say ya fro say
o fa me asi edubi ma
o tuntum nso afa kuapin fu tuntum na o ye kuapin ni kropon kroben so na fi
if man bon akuapin kontonchi ogu ehin akoma
what it so catch us say ade ba ko me feel wa kuapin for ho ne say wo mutimi ekakasama akono won te kra na pesa wo kakasa ni bi omo abrocha nko omo ye Jamaica omo ye patwa because omo wo baby omo ye international wo si ofi mampon na say ye rasamia okukrom MP fantastic na say mampon de mo na mudi ohuma nsane a odwela nyina start fantastic sanity yo na lost having we obi out ba what did you want to so
benede na me ma mi tin ode ye mba se ye be yensa ye beti
o ma me wa he ma me ne si ho no ne ho so afa pa
ode awo ye
tentin brane fantastic na ayewa ne so afa na wo de nso afa anti ma me musa wo ye obi afa fufuo
you me papa fufu de
ya si ade nan na mo pe ka bien kyerem
ade nan pe na ye pe
dan
menkwan nwawo ntiasa
wo se mmia nso ka ho esa se ekwa be from mmia mo ho ya papa nyanen yo na ne oba o di den
fufu ene akrante ne ogwanam
ai unkwa o di fufu na o di akrante na asanti ogwama to serve na sa wadu wanu ne fantastic we are heavy na enkwan be na oje ye like soup inkita no boni futum francs oje tilapia de kakra na ponche de na de fry man wo so wabingo o remese fantastic okay na me hu say table we so asa insani bi afim emu sumpa na say mu didi ye awon fe won to send your friend saying makafui gbagbato evo laka ha efun de viokata fun fofo lasinya davio akpasia what you say it's Ghana na Ghana ya den say usia ya nyina ya nipa baako ukomi fia mabusuani ebi kwa ebota ebi nso ware awa no etie nyina bo so wafo ase ebi fi agbe na ebi fi achim na ebi fi akuapon na ebi fi bie na ebi fi efe yo na also you be afa fufuo you like fufuo yes you like fufuo you love fufu okay is it your first time of eating here up here Lodge Tavern okay and what's the taste like do you like it
oh yeah it tastes so
great what accompaniment did you take together with the protein with your fufu
so I have some light soup here, very nice.
Fantastic.
I have
goat meat.
Yeah.
Oh, chira aponche.
Yeah,
aponche. So the soup is aponche krakra. Oh, fantastic. And you added some fish?
Not really.
Okay. I can see you guys are mourning. You are in black. You are clad in what's the occasion?
That's the collection management.
Oh, okay. Into mafia ye na siaba and I'm supposed to be I come to have a taste. Fantastic. I had your first time. What did you last time? And now Taiba. Now what did you have the thing? Oh, no friends. But now just say Lodge Tavern International. They say we feel it in quite a fantastic. And now about your number? Akrantie. Fantastic. Fantastic. We are heavy. What you say, we are heavy. And yeah, French you can say bon appétit. I know what you so merci. And yeah, bon appétit. Let's way and and come on in here. Salah. After for your heart, Lost David. Wait, I have Fufuo Wo Krom. Who for the food marshal back up I to the B to the K. Me and I'm a science here said chop ban a word down a word there and I eat you word there. If I don't endorse, it means that you are out of line. Now say you are not qualified to have a taste and feel. You go so our so many about you are I'm in introduction come kakra. Oba at saying. What are my friends say? Priscilla. Sana ya kokwe ada ufie abrofo ho now na be a bruni unkai ukofi abusa na asa mwasi fi German kakra Scotland kakra now you grabini Krobo oh na sanya so menya Miami Chrome so menya oh nice meba hospital na me jimani o so menya pa asra na me braba ko Dr. Sari no Atwa Hospital until me taba ho pa na me nua ba ko no Scotland Joshua now those times you took her near about so many but did time mukro no so dead and mu gia ho so many my feeling eti and then obeja ye wo hu now what did you had this is your first time and how do you see it? How is it? It was nice. And do you also like the ambience, the environment? Once you are here, you know this place is directly opposite the Presidential Lodge. Presidential Lodge is a holiday place hub for our certain presidents or all presidents when they are tired. And Nkrumah built this one. So if he can't, he doesn't want to go to outside. No more Baba don't know and what did you have? You're also in government. What I say, what I say, when I international, international Fufuo no dine. Okay, license. A punchy. So now, what do I know? A punchy. A punchy. That's all we are punching. We are punching the brother match. I go me a rapper. Fantastic. Yo, you know, me who say like you are. That's a move test kakran sana. Because I have Africa International. One shot or two. Senadano, and you can't eat fufu without going for appetizer. Wow. And Amma Ata Edu, a prolific writer. I love her, Professor. The late, what I say, not sure, or say, and she cut whiskey. That's the Ucha whiskey. Wait, Ucha Hebafric. And she cut Hebafric. A shot or two, and you're back. It will entice you to eat fufu more well and sound. Now we are, now Abua digestions, you know, I'm what in common I say? My Philippa, Mommy, one of our brown, Mommy, the fufu, no, Mommy, one more. Hey, girl, funny. Me that I know she. So my we feel. Ona, agbana one vegan. Me ni ya no ye bie. Oba ye ni ye bie. Me ni ye bie. Fufui kemini. Tolo. Hey, me tolo. To pakbo. Osmoto, Papa. Aponji, I said, what we are punching, man. And we need to watch us. Can be international, I said, the country can fantastic. Never no, and you had to say it was good, fantastic. Aha, what your Lord David. What you say, some big kind of your new food is no, your customers need him come on. But open you do what you know, the Arsenal Jesse, the Ghanaians. Chama Michao. The Sabe Pepe, no be about there. Fantastic. Akrana, many sound, and never mean that you want to be put there. Na Boko there, and I'll bet Yaquam. A sanity.
Weekends need a year one life.
Oh, okay. The chance I won't would you fufu? Would you and the can I say, oh, far a lawyer kakra?
Fufu without lawyer is no.
Santuin have a freak, no. Oh, Jenny 2 and 3. 2 fantastic. Kakra, you know, have a freak. But you can catch up, have a freak. Have a freak, papa. What I say, Jenny 2. Aha, so that you can fight your impending battle no properly. Sanity, will be kind and you're not cheers. Bon appetit, or merci. Que tu es bien fantastic. Yo, Abja, Entina say, Ube Mia. Hey, that's what fair. I mean, Musam Patrasura, you'll be out there. Did you lot stuff in her? Second time.
Always enjoyed it.
Who buy no so fufu na be die and nam ya chi dia say akranti o na aponchi and then so nam kakra aponchi mete cent na we dey yansa no we apapon we ane nam so be de pa Fantastic. Fano wa jinkruma kakra. Ena me konso di dem na ntraba. Fantastic. We a guy. It we no live soup aponchin kakra na aponchin fishing kakra. We be. Fantastic. Fantastic. Na ba Africa no emu te say. Nti sir, give up for one no. Where you Ghana there? The 2 shots. Pew. Now quite no. Fantastic. But then I know they are punching anyway. It's fufu san apeno. Open mremre obi some lemlemle and apeno pussy more.
Asanteni achemle dem near
mlemlemle. Otom mlemlemle. Opa nyina odi ankasa de say. Kwaje. So what you say there? Then you media mu but me who meeting that. On register Abodisa Association of Ghana. Okovanda Pona they say ono your president. Nanka Rollins. Any idea ma Dr. Okovanda Poy. Ono so dia no me offer. They say no you better register. What I say? They say Abodisa na woska. Udi Abodisa say won ka ho. What I say? Open you wote gwampa. We mano yaba. Fernam Ferro. No yaba. Sanet Accra and you're ready on Quasso. What I say? And you enjoy. Example, Etiagutua, so Lord Stavian Sam in Common Yedino, or Penny or Jedi or so no frost row and the second time they no buy them Quanimuye, who forced to the young funny kind in me. The Tagato say, Ubedi Fufuo, so a shot 2 or 3 of Herba Freak. And only in Sapapa, and only one appetizer. Your perfect appetizer. No what media did. Son of Penya 22 no. Maybe I'm a catcher say in Sunday and one Herba Freak. A Gihog distilleries. Woman Sano. Ghana Yinadia. I'm saying yours truly, the food marshal. And Timigusun and Nemoa, the Koran Kakra, Namene customers and the food is living so they did in Como. Now much let you Munientia. Ayo mobile number bedidi. I don't see entry home. Simabako. Now you call the next day. You couldn't come on. No one samanye.
Start your day with a taste that brings everyone together. Abiba Thai jasmine rice, perfect for every moment.
Taste of togetherness. Abiba Thai jasmine rice.
Mom and Dad, this rice
smells like celebration.
Abiba Thai jasmine rice.
Hey, Daddy.
Abiba jasmine rice, the taste of togetherness.
Etinia Gusuwa, I had the Lord starving. Medical catcher in Comana na Yedino. What I say? But who say? Table issue of a pa. Me who memang I can think of me and send me who ban home for bass or no back up. Aha. Etino, a baby dear mania. Bakuno me Belkuru dancer when Muna was a football number. I can't say cry. Hey, anybody know? Mama, you go. Sinian Pachop, Bocordier. Benin sound now when you are so of a pa. Now you are eating healthy. Mr. No younger side is saying Quadra Santi there, and then as a walk any now for him. Fantastic, Sunyanichra, fantastic. I had no first time I did you was running. Oh, now one a show her. What done for ya? I Uncle Abodre. Fantastic. Now, yes, I have fried the Lord starving. I had a me so dear, me did you had that, me tidy didn't so ha, me trem had and I sent you know, una semi busao, Uba ya don't say, tongue coin, you know, at all saying, come on. I fear. Fantastic. Open fufu, I would do for a sign up of open and remember and up and then an upper on the one your friend on to. That's a no and Indian, so I said on to. What I say, aha. To be who said no protein out, you know, what is a yet tilapia? Tilapia, so your home near me to just what, near friend of Pata. But one in Chinswat, near friend Kobe. No, Uncle Fair, what to be my name, the boy, that's a number, a special number. Until no pen out, fantastic. And the smoked fish be fantastic. In Kumaka Crown and Truan's womb. Fantastic. But say, Emuye, Tilapia, the Udia Boko, Nakasan, Winnie Boko, yes, I'll bet me I saw her. We a guy, pa, we a good. tintim we dey nya machine we tintim man tintim me da se papa yo amemra me nua ho bra we dey no chasa on he me crowd o ha me fu no dey charge me so foi but dey there to bi ye jo me nua for say Bra Malik ma me hu say ade ani koye pa ayi mani mre nya say me fare wa ka me de metai enom nkwan kakra ba bedu me so meko nti ene no de na wo tilapia we are salmon smoke one and one smoke fish fantastic I'm sure for to say no yeguswa on Lodge Tavern ti mraso say me name the owner of Lodge Tavern etwetwe nkomo na kofa by not me church him how all this dream came about they say my baba betna the great Kweku Hayford obani boko there fantastic udi ankasa wajana on ade to ankasa edi say Kweku Hayford
abofo no ma me din Thomas Daniel because Ebro ni din Kweku de ni fiedi
okasa abofo ne ma odin a na say ehefa
my ancestors
abofo ti wankasa okotena abrochire kakra ho na wo he
na mo
New Zealand okay 20 years okay na Kweku Hayford ankasa no ehe no fi
okay mpapa fi Kipos Bakano na mama fi Mankasim yeah
fantastic
pure
fanti na Kweku Hayford baby Lodge Tavern way a very special place yeah directly opposite Ghana's presidential lodge Bakun holiday lodge who feed the main presidential harbor now ba ana president Nkrumah say ya umbedwom ho a omutimi ba that's why you lucky pa na hanso no efe the way I work keep no how many years ni I will be a Lodge Tavern and now there be na inspire am I will be a Lodge Tavern
will be 23 years that was the starting point 23 years not near there was not even road access come to the Lodge Tavern but the divine intervention my vision this action so we started this process 23 years ago and Lodge Tavern started on the tabletop where my wife was selling toffees, gari, and sugar for the workers. Those days, now before
Producer Lodge.
So there was a lot of workers around. You know, our focus was on getting something for the workers, like food, drinks, water, and all that. So no Biamaha because there was no road access. The road was damaged. It was just being renovated.
But at
the time, no, now you fat brekusu and a BP. Now, quite where the access be
anyhow. Yeah.
Until now, but we enjoy the environment so much. And I said to my wife, regardless. Me, the air is fresh, the environment is fresh. Was okay for us.
It was okay for you. I'm sure for say na fena fan so yours truly. The food marshal. Afena me so me kwa face meduane. Mama di kan catch us say fufuo de untimi mfa wani kan emfesi. Mamre fufuo de esa woni nananom di nkomo. No mu share halfway. No mo jo tata. No mo do ko selewa. Alan the minute to say but so mommy too short. Why? Oh, I have a freak. Mommy too short of have a freak. Let me go check me how far. Fantastic. Tabusia for yourself, make warm up. What I say, Manoa Bantino, I said, Mitimi, efesi aba Africa dia unya o eye nubna papa eno mo dia nti unya ne sa emo ahoden ma we dia mu ya kama afenso eboa in the digestion of the food very easily. That's right. Fantastic. And you know, when a 24 friend of Tozizi, Oba Kamba Munsua, Ochimam, Anna Santiasi, Yebu Zizi. When a 2 pet, a shot or 2. A mama Kwama and Ramao. Cheers. In Sunday, I know you. On sana kola ni mutia na kola bia osuma na no amuna nanim bia no o dey have the next 10 years bo say nanim awu sama amuna to you be na no musa esa oti wanim o sere o smile insan so emu ode no e na ye no smile what you say esa wanim be kama bon appetit and you french for no age so merci aduane we have a freak na appetit. The food macha da ha na me ba lot tavern go for di dia mama filia anga zanga ai manwa toso da na sham ho so afena dum so there some fat taste what you say asana maybe you catch you say nipa who be di dia a little sip of water is the best practice. Dr. Fufuo Wo Krom said a boy indigestion what you say Fufuo dia minti mi fa ni kan ni fufuo so yan fa ni kan ni eno de nananu na kato what you say ntwa hia nya utwa hia nya ye ne kwan so ano esanu nie have a freak yeah an appetizer, the best appetizer in the whole wide world and universe. And only a simple, a shot or 2. Anga zanga. We are no apostle. After we are now at topic. Na a settle. Akwami a rapanka. Bisakede create me takemi. Hey! Akwa champion. What I say? I feel bedi. I say. Enya ni say ne de. Na ese manunyu onipa bia no. Wanunyu ubedidi a Ghana pe na monya say me call London ni ade. Ko eti German o bedidi a say ya. Eti say ya. I feel bedidi agu say peche. Da, why ready? I'm smell ready. Aha. On say we no you here. So wash some soup. You don't need scented soup. You need unscented soup. When you're in the sano, I can remember that. Yeah! Manuaba. Lord's Tavern, Pediase, directly opposite. The Penimremre. Yes. Ekwaku effort, what here? And quite more de angaza. What I say? A band fufu, a man more diaspora. Those of you in diaspora, December, I know you are coming home, yeah? When you get to Ghana, ask of the Lord Tavern. Locally acclaimed, internationally recognized. We are going for the Hamio. Have you any idea? Yeah, we are here. Ah, sir. Oh, yeah. Aba. Abuna obi. Nkatikwan obi. Abenkwan. We akantie. Akantie ni siachi na sum. Nga me pa ne pa. Egu. Mari wa kranti na kranti de nsia pro. Ale wa twini nsia sana mo yi no. Mo di fidi ara mo boni tuo. Testa o cha kranti a mbedidi a e ateke ne se. Ne monokradi ya ba ko pe. E de yi. It is dear woman home. What do you have? On that note, I'll see you next week. What I say, yeah. Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.